So that's basically what this video is about. As y'all see by the title, it's that your broke era is finished. Now it's time to actually get rich as fuck. So everyone watching this, let's get rich. Also, like one of the biggest issues with anyone that's watching my videos, like if you watch a law of detachment video, that one blew up, law of attraction, those things, it's like you're trying to imply that to your life, but then you still think it's hard to get rich. The only way it would be hard is if you believe it to be hard. Like there's no point of learning all these things and doing anything that you're doing now and even watching my videos if one, you're not trying to get rich, and two, you believe it's hard to get rich. Not only that they have to work hard, but that it's hard to get rich and it's not. So that's like a limiting belief that you have to just put down. If you think it's easy, all your work will be good and it'll be efficient and then you'll actually get rich. So